In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a green screen on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, generally, if you have a green screen, you're likely a software tint, which is a bug, and that's obviously going to be an issue. So if your screen has a greenish glow or a flickering tint, regardless of whichever iPhone you have, the first thing you want to do is a force restart. It's the number one fix for post-update glitches. So what you're going to do is quickly press the volume up, then the volume down button, and then hold the side power button on the other side until the Apple logo appears. Just keep holding it down, even if it takes about 20 seconds, and then go ahead and restart your phone, see if that works for you. Now, what you could also do is go over to your settings, then scroll down until you find display and brightness. Then if you see true tone, you want to go ahead and toggle it off and then toggle it on again. And then for example, let's just go to automatic. Then I'm just going to toggle it off again. I'm going to switch it back to dark and see if that works for you, because it might just be a minor glitch. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.